everyone, video 4 of the Cruise Collection 2023 Chanel 23C. I had tried on these pants in another video 1 actually, and many of you had commented about them. What I didn't like was this, and they were also a little baggy, so I'm just gonna try a smaller size and I'll let you know how they fit. The other one is a dress. I had tried on the white, and I had let you know that there was a black version, so that is this one. And here is the tag for this, as well as the price. And then finally, this just came in, and the dress on the runway looks very, very cool. I don't know about the blouse, but we'll give it a try. Extremely pricey, so it better be one heck of a blouse. So I will be giving these a try and letting you know what I think, how they feel, how they fit, and I would love to know what you think about these pieces. Okay, so this is much better in a 36 for sure. Here's how it fits in the back and the seat. And yeah, it has a really cool zip detail here. It's actually really like that. And the thing I still don't like is the race band stripe here, but they definitely fit better, feel better, and realistically are probably more useful. So I would say if you're looking for these pants, they are running a tad bit big because I'm a 30A on the bottom and these are a 36, and they fit pretty well. So if you're looking for them, just consider the sizing. And I think the pockets are great. The detailing, if you've seen the first video, you saw up close the C's. And so I'll try the next piece. Okay, so this is the cotton and elastane dress that has a ton of stretch. I had tried on white with a red stripe. I'm always checking my hair. White with a red stripe. This is black with a white stripe. Again, the racing Monte Carlo theme, or Monaco theme for Formula One. So in terms of the length of the dress, it is just above the length of this video. So I would say I'm 5'4", it's about 5 inches above the knee. And let me get in close and you can see the design or structure on the fabric. Looks like a casino chip, if I'm not mistaken here. Some of you will know better than me. What's great is how easily stretchable this is. So I don't feel constricted. I don't like tight things. If you've been watching my channel before, you know that already. So so it just feels nice, which is really good. And I think it looks nice on the back. And it's actually one of my favorite pieces, even though it doesn't look all that maybe exciting in the video. I think it's really wearable. And for me right now, it's about taking the price, dividing it by how many times I can wear it, and not wanting to sell it to the real because I get tired of it or just end up not liking it. So this is a consideration for me. So let me try one more piece and I'll be wrapped up. Okay, so here is the blouse. Let me show you the detailing. So here's what I have an issue with. The waistline. It's not stretchy. I kind of wish they had done that. Come on, Chanel, you guys keep doing that. The avocado jacket, the blue jacket I tried on from 22K, it's too tight here, right? So you want a curvy woman, you're designing a lot of this stuff for more curvy women, but you're not really supporting it by allowing us a little bit more room here through the hip, because it's hitting the hip. Now maybe if I were taller and it was on the lower waist, right, cropped, it wouldn't be a problem. So anyhow, I think the colors of it, so this is a gray stripe. I think with some gray jeans, it would pop and be really pretty. And this is what the back looks like. I don't really know if I like this kind of high going neckline. It's really stiff. It's difficult to push down. It's 100% cotton, so there's no give. But it's plenty loose under the arms, thank goodness. This is why it's expensive, is this detailing here. So, you know, is it worth it for that? Not to me. But this is what the blouse looks like. And I know this is one of the more sought after blouses for this particular collection. So, and I get why, it is very pretty. And 2 additional pieces here. These are 100% cotton. Let me show you. They look like kind of men's casual wear. Let me show you the tag in case you're interested. The t-shirt for $64.50. And these gym shorts with a lot of bling on the side for $4,100. So I will try these on as well, and they were not here when I first walked into the fitting room, but I'm adding them to my little collection. Nice fleece inside, but I'll give them a try and let you know what I think. By the way, one quick thing. take a look at this, and you can take a look at the video as well. Okay, so my last outfit today, these are some shorts here. They look like men's kind of sport shorts, and this is the top. I think this is nothing, it's ill-fitting, doesn't feel very good. It's just nothing all that exciting, but I just tried it on so that you all could see, for those of you interested in this particular set. Here's what the shorts look like. They are elastic at the waist, which is kind of nice sometimes. And yeah, just overall, I think it's just not flattering. You know, maybe for pajamas or something, but it's too expensive for that. Detailing on the side is, on the shorts, some very shiny buttons, and detailing on the top has a reverse bib. So here's your bib, in case you wanted one on your t-shirt. Okay, so that is the end of video 4, and if you enjoy my videos or find them useful, I'd love your comments on what I can do better, and please hit the subscribe button if you feel so inclined, and thank you for your support.